In front of me is an ALCATEL Idol 5, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's go into the app tray and find the Downloads app. Once you tap on it, it will probably go into the Downloads folder. So you want to tap on the three bars right here and navigate directly to your SD card. And in the SD card, tap on the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you will find Format option. So right here, tap on that. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you have done that, or well, you don't care, just tap on Erase and Format. The process will begin, and it's a fairly short one. Now once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more, as it should be, well, right now. So tap on that and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, and thanks for watching.